Hello everyone, welcome back to Cooking Clean and Everything Between, where everything is made with so much love just for you. With Thanksgiving less than a week away, I will share with you today a super easy side dish to make your Thanksgiving meal even more special. So let's get cooking and make some Thanksgiving wild rice. You will need butter, shallots, carrots, white rice, wild rice, 1 pear, dried cranberries, salt, black pepper, thyme and a bay leaf, chicken broth, and walnuts. Heat the butter in a Dutch oven over medium heat. Add the shallots and carrots, cooking for about 3 minutes, stirring occasionally. Now add the white rice and the wild rice, cooking for about 1 minute, stirring constantly. Add the pear, dried cranberries, salt, the black pepper, the bay leaf and the sprigs of thyme. Mix for a little bit. And top with the chicken broth. Bring to a boil, cover, and transfer the Dutch oven into a preheated oven at 350 Fahrenheit and bake for 50 minutes. After 50 minutes, remove your Dutch oven from the oven, remove the herbs, let this rice sit for about 5 minutes. Then add some fresh parsley and some chopped walnuts for a little bit of crunch. Mix well, serve, and enjoy. May the chairs around your table be filled with those you love. May your Thanksgiving day and every day be filled with joy and happiness. If you enjoyed the video, please hit the like button and subscribe to become a part of the Cooking Clean and Everything Between family. As always, I'm grateful to have you in my kitchen. Thank you so very much for watching, and I hope to have you here next week. Happy Thanksgiving. Ciao.